Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in the comment section of one of my latest videos, some guy gave me a great idea, something that he does when he does his 200 amp services. What he does is he cuts a small piece of 2-inch conduit on his riser, cuts a small piece off of the 2-inch, puts it in the male adapter, and then puts the bell bottom over that piece. And as you can see right there, that seal is less of a chance for water to get in there this way. It's not necessary to do this, but this is a little bit more preventative method to keep water out of your meter. So I'm going to try it out today by doing a quick demo here. So I've got a 2-inch male adapter, some 2-inch Schedule 40 PVC. This is just scrap. This is a 200 amp meter for PSNG. Okay, and as you see, it comes with a bunch of this equipment here. This is what's known as a hub. Alright, I'm not going to put it in today just because I'm not ready to use it. But the way you would set this up is you would attach this 2-inch male adapter just like this. Already. And then you would screw the male adapter through here after taking off this cover piece. Alright, I'm not going to do that because I'm not doing a service today. So what I am going to do is I'm going to measure the area of this bell bottom right here, and I'm going to cut a small piece just so I can see how this works. So I'm anxious to do this in one of my upcoming videos. I'm just going to get an approximate measurement of the end of this bell bottom to where it molds back into the regular 2-inch. So as you can see, it kind of flares out there so you can fit another piece. It's like a built-in coupling. Alright, so let's cut this piece off. Well, it doesn't have to be perfect, but we got to be close so we can pull the wire through. Alright, let's try this out. That's in there pretty good. And then what we would do is we would slide this bell bottom over it. Yeah. And now you have very little chance of water ever getting into that top of that male adapter. This would just sit on top like that, and that's a nice solid connection. I really like that idea a lot. So I think as on one charge in the comment section. I hope he's a subscriber. Thanks for that great tip. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you're so inclined to subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'd appreciate that, guys. I'll see you on the next one soon.